So we are at the lab. I have to go get some blood work done. I have a doctor's appointment on Tuesday and I'm supposed to have my blood work done like a week beforehand. And I called because I forgot when my appointment was and they're like, yeah, it's Tuesday. And I was like, I guess I better go get my blood work done then. So I have both girls with me and Alex isn't too thrilled, but Michael has to go grocery shopping and I didn't want to like leave
The highlight of my
Alex
day,
home
a needle
alone.
being poked into my mother.
You gonna watch?
No.
You're not gonna watch him poke a needle in me? I think you watched the last time.
I'm not watching it.
Oh, the drama. At least it's not you getting it done.
Yeah, sure.
So in we go to go get poked. I think they usually take like four vials, something like that. I don't remember. So yeah, real fun way to start the day. Okay, so Alex has been enjoying the view at the doctor's office. We're up on the
like right on the rail.
We're up on the 3rd floor. Oh, that's the 2nd floor there is all. Okay, you want to push we're gonna take the elevator and jump. You gotta jump in the elevator.
Up button.
No, we don't want to go up. Wow, it is so hot in here. Because we're on the 3rd floor, so it's like, you know, the heat rises and I can hardly breathe. It's so hot.
Oh, it's not that bad. You're just...
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh my goodness, I can't stand it.
I'm afraid of heights, so.
Heights don't bother me any. The office that we were in was overlooking the water and it was really nice. But we couldn't video in there, huh? Because it's somebody's office.
It smells in here.
Okay, press number 1 with the star. Are you gonna jump?
Yeah. I don't know when. I forget. What am I gonna do? Okay. Wait, what?
I don't think that was quite the right time. And
Tell me when.
now. Nope. Now. Nope. Yeah, I have no idea. This elevator is really smooth. Oh, you missed it. Okay, what were you doing to get her to do it?
Yay! She looks like I was doing it. Yay! This is blinking every time I clap.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
Yay! Bravo! It looks like she's doing it.
Clap, clap, clap.
Yay! Bravo! God bless America! Oh, it's so beautiful.
Clap, clap, clap. Do what you were doing before. You were doing something before and she clapped. You see? She looks like she's trying to.
You gotta spread out your hands like this.
It's more like clapping her stomach. So cute. You're trying.
Garbage picker! Garbage picker! Get out of my garbage.
Trying to rearrange it so it doesn't dump all over the ground.
Wow, talk about OCD, rearranging the garbage.
Well, it was like piling over, flowing over.
Hey! Don't pee in the neighbor's yard. Over here. Come pee in ours. Over here.
All the neighbors' dogs go in our yard.
We're not those people, though.
No, we're not those people. We're those people that sit on their couch and watch everybody else's life. She needs her tires.
I see that.
Am I allowed to go past my limits today?
Nope. You're grounded.
What? What did I do?
Come on!
Your back tire is like flat.
Dad, you need to put air in my flat tire.
I see that. Look at you! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, look at you, you dork, with your sandals.
That's right, rocking the socks and the sandals.
Didn't even strap them on.
Nope. not strapped on.
Is that bad luck, like Denard Robinson tying?
No, it's just lazy.
Look at.
Are we having fun?
Oh,
Whoa, dog, dude.
Alex.
You gave her limits and you said no. Go ahead, just go.
I don't like that corner because people come around the corner and you can't see. If somebody's riding their bike, you don't see them when you're coming around the corner. She sometimes leans forward and like grabs onto her little tray. Yeah, hi, Daddy. Like that. Look at.
Wow.
She's got this.
It's like a roller coaster.
She's got this whole thing lifted forward.
Wow. She's ready. Go, Mom, go.
She's just looking. I hate lemon
Whoa,
lime.
you're gonna drink a whole can?
No, well, I don't plan on drinking the whole can, but I figured I'd just pour it all in there. Okay. I hate lemon lime. Do you know why?
You don't like lemon and you don't like lime?
I don't like it either. I don't like a whole lot of citrusy type stuff. I do like orange though. But
No, you won't drink orange juice.
I won't drink orange juice, but I like orange soda.
Makes no sense.
I like oranges. But
What are they?
oranges. I say it funny, I know.
Oranges?
Oranges.
Oranges.
Orange.
Ing. There's no ing in it. Oring. Oring.
I can't say it right. I have to stop. There's been a few times, like if I've done a tutorial or video or whatever, that I have to make myself say it the right way.
You live in
Orange.
Florida, where
Orange.
Florida is like the orange state, and you can't say your own thing. Orange.
Orange. Like creek and crick.
But that's not being able to pronounce it. Some people like to say creek, some people
I
say
say
crick.
creek.
I say creek.
Although I think I have, you say what?
Creek.
Creek. Yeah, I say creek, but I think I have called it a crick before. Just like if I said it really fast, it's just the way it came out. Anyway, I don't like lemon lime because I had to drink this, like, if you've ever had to have a procedure done with your stomach before, you have to drink like this lemon lime stuff at the doctor's office. And it made me throw up a lot. But a couple weeks ago when I got sick and I had Michael get me the lemon lime, the Sprite, ever since then I've been drinking it.
It's nice for variety.
Same.
You don't drink. All she drinks is like, if she drinks pop, it's Coke. It's Coke and nothing else. No Pepsi, no Mountain Dew, no cherry. Well, you'll drink cherry Coke, won't you?
Once in a blue moon,
Yeah.
I will. Usually if we're out of Coke. But if we go out to eat and they only serve Pepsi, I'll drink it then. Like Taco Bell is Pepsi products, so I'll drink that. But I am a Coca-Cola girl through and through. I love Coca-Cola, it's my favorite. Another thing, I've never liked tuna, like canned tuna. And since having Chelsea, I eat it like all the time. This baby's like messing
I like
me
tuna
up.
fish.
Which
I
is-
eat tuna fish every week, at
which
least
is-
once a week. I go to Subway and get tuna fish.
Which is weird because you don't like fish. And I like
Yeah,
fish.
it is weird because I really don't like anything fish. No crab, no lobster, no
Oh.
fish, no scallops, nothing. It's
I
all
love
that
all of
fishy
it.
smell. I think it's the smell that I don't like. Like I don't smell when tuna fish is made because it's got the mayo and everything.
What you doing?
Must have found something under there.
Somebody must have dropped something. Oh, he's got it on his nose. It's on your nose. You're so cute. I like fish, but I don't like it when it's like really fishy, like you said. Like I love scallops, but they have to be cooked a certain way. And I went to Red Lobster once and had scallops, and they were like really fishy, gross. So I like most seafood as long as it's cooked right.
Okay, are you done?
Why? You're missing your show, aren't you?
Well, I'm missing the show, but I wanted to open these. Holly's got a craft or a cooking thing she's gonna do, and I bought these. They're Ghirardelli, so I've been wanting to try them. So here, can I open this?
I guess so.
Do I need to throw it in a container to keep them fresh?
Yeah, probably. Go ahead and try it.
I was
Are
hoping
they
these
milk
would be,
chocolate?
Yeah, these would be really good. They're big.
Oh, they are big.
That's good chocolate.
Let me try one. They are big for chocolate.
Ooh. Real rich. Oh, you gotta make chocolate chip cookies now with these. I was gonna buy the cheap Walmart kind,
That's
and
good.
it said milk chocolate flavored. Chocolate's supposed to be chocolate, not flavored.
Then what is it?
I don't know. So I splurged and I spent a little bit extra and got the good Ghirardelli stuff.
Is there a cookie recipe on the back that you probably cut through?
Nope.
Oh,
Yep. Chocolate chip cookies.
okay. I'll make cookies. As long as we have everything we need, I think we do.
Jeez, yeah. Spend the extra 50 cents and get these.
Worth it.
It's the chocolate flavored ones.
Flavored. I want to know what that is. I want to know what does that mean? What's the meaning behind that? Are you gonna eat all the ingredients I need
Probably.
before
Yeah.
I need them? I think the fan's blowing it. Oh my gosh. Sticking to everything and not doing what it's supposed to do. This is what I have to go through to test out my science experiments before I do them.
Maybe I'm not charged, so let me see if I can do it. Nope.
No.
What are you guys doing?
I know what you're not doing.
You're supposed to be in bed an hour ago.
You guys are picking me up.
It likes me.
It's moving.
Oh wow, can I try?
Well, the problem is, it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
Hovering?
It's just sticking to me.
I want to try.
I'm doing something wrong. Back to the drawing board.
I want to try it. I want to try it. You just put it there.
You're not.
No.
You're not charged.
It's supposed to hover over top of the balloon, I guess. Or stick to it. Well, this won't be a science experiment, will it?
It's not looking good right now. No.
Let go of my arm.
It might not cling to you like it was to me. I don't know.
No.
Wah, wah, wah.
Not how it's supposed to work.